This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, November the 16th, 2012. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. So at noon today we have a bit of a trough axis just to our east. Another one about to move into the Pacific Northwest with a ridge over the plains in the upper Midwest, and that'll bring some slightly warmer conditions to the state over the next couple of days, today and into the weekend. Highs at least in the upper 40s to middle 50s, and maybe a few degrees warmer here on Saturday. Highs maybe mid 50s to maybe some upper 50s with mostly sunny skies across the state. Sunday doesn't look much different. The wind's still south to southwest about 5 to 15 miles per hour, maybe a bit gusty. Highs well into the 50s, maybe approaching 60. And on Monday, we finally get some moisture coming in. Maybe about a 20% crack at some showers around. Highs still remaining in the 50s across the state at that time. We head to Tuesday. That system moves off, but it really doesn't cool off that much. We still see highs maybe upper 40s to middle 50s across the area with still mainly sunny skies. Wednesday, big travel day. We have some showery weather in the mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas, some over the Texas Rio Grande area, but the big travel problems will be over the Pacific Northwest. And on Thanksgiving, still around here, it's going to be fairly seasonal to above average. Highs well into the 50s with a southwesterly breeze. Still rather stormy in the north and west. And then Black Friday. That's a week from today. We have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, so some fast-moving systems. And that system that will be off to our west will be moving ever closer, but it will be kind of falling apart. It doesn't look really that exciting. Some cold air really building up in Canada, and that could start to drop south. Could be a shower or two around here if this is right. A couple days later, on the 27th, split flow. We have an upper level feature in northern Mexico, a big vortex over the north and west, and a big one over Hudson Bay, and some shower activity around here. And it looks like it'll be shower activity. There could be some wet snow, but remember, this is in voodoo. This is way out there, and this could change. And another big storm slamming into the north and west. And even at the end of the forecast on the 1st of December, trough axis through here, ridge pumping up over the Intermountain West and up into the northern Rockies. Energy around here could bring maybe some snow around here, with most of the precipitation well off to our south and east, but a lot of cold air seeping in, so we could have our first big cold plunge of December by then. Last night's satellite image had some high and mid-level cloudiness along the New England and Mid-Atlantic coast, a few clouds across the south and southeast, and some cloudiness over the west with maybe a bit of precipitation around there, but nothing else. Watch warning map from last evening. Some frost and freeze advisories in Alabama, some winter weather issues over the Sierra Nevada mountain range, and elsewhere outside of the child abduction emergency in Montana, it's fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest amounts of precipitation will be with that storm over the north and west. Maybe up to 1/10 of an inch around here with the system later this week.